number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 lives away, you split it. 100 racks, I'ma spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that.
Hey, it's me again, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another haul video. This video is quite different because it is makeup related, and it's actually coming from one of my favorite companies in all of America. It is coming from, oh God, I suck at doing a drum roll. Anywho, it's coming from one of my favorite companies. It's coming from Juvia's place. And I was stupid excited to order these items. Number one, I was trying to hold off because I've been trying to get everything ready for my vanity. And they had the audacity to be so rude and come out with a new palette. So I was like, you know what? Y'all came out with this new palette, which means I need to go get those 4 palettes that came out that I was trying to hold off and not get, and I had to get them anyway. So now I can officially say I have the full Juvia's Place complete set until they come out with something else. So get ready, stay tuned, and hopefully you guys catch the vibe of this. And if you like any of these items, I will have links down below so you guys can cop your own. One of them is not in stock yet, but everything else should be. So get ready, let's go, let's do it. Starting off, we're going to talk about the four palettes that came out beforehand before you guys get to see the new one. This is what they look like. This is the Nudes, Berries, Chocolate, and I believe these are the Violets. And I love the look of them. They're really cute. This is the Nudes, and we're gonna break them down individually. This is the Berries. This is the Chocolates. And this is the Violets. Right? Okay, so we're gonna break them down piece by piece, and we're gonna talk about them. So we're gonna talk about the Violets. I love the artwork that's on the outside of that artwork. Whoever is doing their artwork, oh my goodness, they do impeccable work, and they have some goodness coming through their fingertips, because I love this. So this is what the Violets look like. They're all purples, but you get different shades of violet. So from the looks of it, you're gonna get 4 metallic colors, and then 2 mattifying colors. I have not swatched these, so we're going to swatch them now. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, that's cute. They don't have names on this palette, which I was kind of happy that they didn't, because sometimes it is kind of hard to pronounce those colors. So I actually like the fact that they did it like this, where someone that's traveling, especially if you know what certain looks that you're going for, you can also just pick up one of these palettes and say, bam, thank you, I need that. So hopefully if they did it like this, I'm hoping that they come out with greens, blues, oranges, yellows. So I hope those are the next ones that they do, because if they do, I'm gung-ho, because baby, y'all know I love me an orange lid. I love it. But I definitely love everything about the Violets. So this, I'm here for. I don't do too many purple shadows, but I bought it. So we definitely going to be copping that. Well, I'm not copping it. We're going to be creating some magic. Next one is the Chocolate. And these are all dark brown type colors. But they give you shades of like chocolate. Like they give you actual chocolate shades. I really wish it smelled like chocolate, like the chocolate bar palette with Too Faced. It would have been cool if that smelled like chocolate, but whatever. I still like them anyway. And this palette, you get 4 mattifying colors and 2 metallic colors, so I think that's a plus. This would probably end up being one of my personal faves because I will always do one of these type of browns, even mixed with this one as a cute smoky brown look. So I definitely enjoy something like that. Like, I'm always a sucker for a good nude eye with a bad wing liner. That's life and a half for me. Right up my alley. Next is the berries. There we go. And with this one, you also get four metallic. You get 4 mattifyings and 2 metallics. You basically, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's pretty much mostly pinks, type reds, type of thing. I'm intrigued about this color, because on mine it comes out darker, but on camera it's coming out as like a hot pink, and it's really not. It's actually a real pretty. I'm not gonna say dusty rose because it's not, but look at that color come through. Do y'all not see? Oh my God. Before we finish this, if any person has not bought Juvia's Place, y'all have been sleeping, and I need y'all to wake up. Wake up, please. Wake up, please. Like, Morphe is good. All of those are good. But what's showing up on black skin like that without primer? I don't hear you. Oh, okay. Next. So this is the nudes. Uh-oh, I lost my little thing, but it's cool. So with this one, you get 3. You actually get an even number on this one. You get 3 mattifying and you get 3 metallics. This is one palette that I have already used. And the colors that I used was this one and this one. And believe it or not, this came out to be a very, very pretty palette, especially once the color settled. Because at first when you're putting it on, it looks white. But then when it settles into the skin, especially when you mix it with this color, it came out to be a real pretty iridescent tan color. It was very pretty mixed with another brown. It came out very, very pretty. So I approve. So with those 4, those are $14 each, which is a plus because to get all 4 of them, I mean, it wasn't that much. And of course, I use Fumi's coupon code. There's other people that you can use. I personally use Fumi because I like her makeup. It is what it is. But yeah, like I said, they were $14 each, and they were definitely worth it. I could see myself traveling and taking just like a nude palette, just the nudes with me, and I'm good to go. So I think they're really good for travel, especially if you're looking for a travel size makeup palette. Now, if y'all are ready, I know I am. I am about to reveal the newest baby from Juvia's Place that I have not swatched yet. And this is the Juvia's Place Wahala Transition Drama, which means I have an inkling that we're going to get a lot more transition daytime, transition night, transition, you know, bright. Like, I don't know what we're going to be transitioning into later in the future, but I definitely love this. They went with a different artwork than they normally did than your typical, you know, than the typical. It's actually a face mask, which I freaking love. I love this, and believe it or not, the colors that's in the face mask is actually represented into the actual palette. So let's get into the palette. I know. It makes you want to cry, doesn't it? Because it makes me want to cry. Every time I look at it, I haven't even swatched it yet. I've been waiting to get on here to swatch it for you guys. And I just can't wait to dip my hands in these glitter colors. Oh my God. Okay, so from the looks of things, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mattifying colors. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 metallic colors. And then they threw in some very special glitter colors, which you get 3 of those. I love the names on here. You have BU, Stand Up, Fighter, Fire, Power, Unafraid, Pride, Gossip, Rumor, Yanga. I don't know what Yanga means, but we'll leave it in the description, or we'll actually leave it at the bottom of the screen. Envy, Sis, Oversabi, Unsilenced, Love, Woke, Unshook, Pepper Bodied, Busybody, and Clout. First and foremost, every time I look at this palette, there's only one color that I have been wanting to swatch for the longest, and it's this one, and it's Clout. So we're going to, oh my God. I just want to tell y'all right now on how buttery that felt. That did not feel like normal eyeshadow with them. That was so damn buttery and glittery. Like, number one, look at that pink that's still on there. Look at that. Do y'all see that? I know y'all see it because I see it. Are y'all ready? I just had a makeup gasm. I'm sorry, you guys. Do y'all not see how iridescently beautiful that is? So yes, so we had a little trouble there, but these are the swatches for all the other glitter colors, and that was Clout, Yanga, and Pepper Body. This palette was worth every single penny, and I trust and believe, I don't feel like you're gonna be disappointed. Juvia's Place has always been one of those go-to companies for my personal looks, especially with doing dramatic eyeshadow looks. It has always been one of my personal favorites, so definitely cop them. Definitely follow them on IG and buy their stuff. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.